Hello everyone, 大家好. My name is Yasmin von Rohn and today I'm finally in Weifang in Shandong province to see the beautiful, intangible cultural heritage Laomao festive lantern. Come with me, let's see it together. I'm very proud to say that together with the master, I've been doing this Laomao festive lantern and it's very special. This beautiful rabbit is a very special historical way to do it because together with this, you get to put them together with a lot of glue, with a lot of cutting, and okay, maybe the eyes are not perfect, but I'm very proud of my work. And this lantern, it's also, as you can see, absolutely a beautiful thing to hang in your house, for example. I have great feelings about today, and especially this activity was one of my favorites. I feel that it makes me so relaxed and so patient and happy, and I hope that outside of China they will get to learn how to do it.